UPI is the greatest magic trick India has ever pulled. It makes your money vanish without you even realizing it. A tap here for chai, a tap there for shopping, and suddenly your wallet is on life support. And while you are busy enjoying the convenience, it's quietly rewiring your brain, changing how you spend, save, and even think about money. Hello everyone, welcome back to Finance Badha. I'm Shashank, and today we are diving into the topic UPI. UPI was launched in 2016. Only 16 banks were onboarded at first. And today, we are talking 19 billion transactions a month across 500 plus banks and apps. India went from standing in bank queues to sending money mid-conversation in just a few years. Before UPI, paying meant pulling out cash, counting notes, and waiting for change. But now, 2 taps and your money is gone faster than a flash sale on Flipkart. That physical act of handing over cash, that's called payment friction. It happened first when cards were introduced, and it is even more pronounced with UPI. It made you feel the money leaving, but UPI removed that completely. When you swipe your phone, instead of handing over a 500 rupees note, your brain feels less pain. Psychologists call this payment decoupling. You are paying, but it doesn't feel real. Until you check your bank balance at the month end and go like, "Arey yaar, paise kahan gaye mere?" UPI made money move like water, but also made it disappear like it. UPI didn't just change how we pay, it rewired Indian fintech. Instant credit at checkout, QR codes at street vendors, and microloans on your phone. Even your local chai wala now has a better payment system than some big malls had in 2010. From rural India to tier 1 cities, UPI has been the greatest equalizer. It's free, it's easy, it works on basic internet, and it doesn't need any fancy devices. Even your grandmother can send money without stepping into a bank. UPI's biggest strength, that is convenience, is also its biggest weakness. You can pay anyone, anytime, which means you do pay anyone, anytime. Impulse buys are now just a 6-digit away, and it may go away too because UPI Lite takes it even further. No pin for transactions under Rs 500. Lightning fast offline payment. Great for speed, bad for self-control. If normal UPI is a highway, UPI Lite is a racetrack. UPI Circle is a new NPCI feature that lets a primary user delegate payments to trusted people like family or friends, even if they don't have their own UPI ID. There are 2 modes of it. First is full delegation, where the secondary user can pay within limits without approval. Second is partial delegation, where every payment needs primary user's approval. Limits are 5,000 rupees per transaction and 15,000 rupees per month. A primary user can add up to 5 people, and permissions can be changed or revoked in time. It is great for kids, grandparents, or shared expenses. But in the wrong hands, this circle of trust can quickly turn into a circle of scam. You can now even use your RuPay Credit Card on UPI. Just link your card to UPI and suddenly every QR code accepts credit. Powerful? Yes. But remember, it's not a free money. It is actually a loan in disguise. Here's what people rarely talk about. UPI makes spending so frictionless that most people don't track it. No wallet check, no ATM slip, no conscious budgeting, just money gone. UPI isn't the enemy, but your lack of tracking is. So here's the fix. Use apps that auto-categorize expenses, set weekly spending alerts, and keep a cash budget for extras. And please, check your bank balance regularly. UPI gave India a superpower. It connected millions, boosted small businesses, and made life faster. But as Uncle Ben said, with great power comes great responsibility. So next time when you pay using UPI, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just paying because I can? Like this video, hit subscribe for more money stories that actually affect your life, and comment, has UPI made you spend more or save more?